Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosos Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend usinemseleko ngemva kokuthi graduate aseswakhe uMpilo Mseleko guys itolo kanti balabaningi they were really excited ba celebrate kuphumelela kwakhe guys, kuphumelela kwaMpilo Nhle, and people were dragging usinemseleko guys. You know ukuthi lapha ebantwaneni bamusamseleko it was the first time asibona umuntu agraduate, asibona umntwana mseleko agraduate. So balabaningi bebasho nje ukuthi girl, you are breaking generational curses kesana, congratulations. So people are saying ukuthi hey usine akanaso isikhathi ema graduation, usine nje utefunela ukuthi bhakela abantwana. People are really being mean towards Usine Mseleko, and people are saying ukuthi she's jealous, she didn't even post uMpilo on her graduation. But we know guys ukuthi the two don't get along. Siyababona, sibabonile nakuthanda nothemba ukuthi Usine noMpilo mandi ne oyila. What were you guys expecting? Were you guys expecting really ukuthi Usine aposte uMpilo knowing very well ukuthi labantu abavani? There is no way. So bantu nje bayasho ukuthi qha wena Sine awubuke uMpilo wendani wena uloku nje na you're making kids, uyatrenda lapha kuma social media platforms, busy ne-boyfriend niyabambana niyakhisana wekela kufunza. So people are even saying ukuthi unaye grade 12 Usine yini ugqine kabani Usine, ngoba siyambona nje lapha kumabona ukuthi ngazuthi qha imfundo qha akathimisela akayikhuluma indzaba nje ye-education ugel akayiphathi nje nokuya esikolweni or yokubuka umsebenzi usoshabeni nje uterelaxele. So people are really throwing some heavy shades on Usine Mseleko ngemva kokuthi ku-graduate ubani uMpilo wavele wamdonsela mkhokha. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.